Hello guys, today I'll be showing you how to fix this static noise issue coming from your mic on the right side. Right, just all you need is a software called VB Audio Cable. It's a it's a donation based software. You can choose to donate if you want. Yes, so you guys know I'm not sponsored or anything. I just found this helpful and I'm showing you the fix. Download this virtual audio cable. If you're on 64-bit, use the 64-bit version. Once it's installed under recording devices, you should see it here. Essentially this was empty, it wasn't responding at all in the beginning. You just need to set it up. Click on your microphone, the microphone I'm using. Listen, select VB audio cable, listen to this device, and under advanced you can see I have a 1 channel mic, but here under this, after it's listening, 2 channel 24-bit 44 1/8. Try to keep a different version, different frequencies might work for you, but this is what worked for me the best. Now I'll show you how the noise was before. Usually start hearing a noise when I switch it back to the original. You should probably hearing now, it's quite annoying, irritating. Now switching it back to the new one, fixed one. What this essentially is doing is just putting a virtual it's processing the audio before it's being sent to share. This fixed the issue for me. Now I'll show you the new features of Nvidia Geforce Expeience 3.8.1.89. 3.8.1.89. It's a beta version. This is essentially putting controls for this game, system sound and microphone. System sound is basically everything else beside your microphone. When you're playing a game, it's your game. My microphone is crappy, so I had to keep it at 100, and I had to keep sweet spot was 10 to 30 for system sound. I will show you how it's actually working by playing an audio. Now you should probably hear me much more clearly now. Moving it up, it's probably too loud. You probably couldn't hear me at 19 or that. You couldn't hear it. Now at 10 to 30 was a sweet spot and it worked for me. Yeah, that's about it. And you can either create a single track or multiple audio track while recording. Separate system sound and audio track. I'll show you a screenshot of it. Here's the screenshot. I couldn't show it because I was using Nvidia Share for recording. When it was currently recording, I couldn't show it. You could create a single track or separate both tracks, separate microphone and system sound, and then you can use a video editing or audio editing software to sync both and create a proper video if you wanted to. And that's about it, guys. Just make sure instant reply is off before applying the mic fix, and that's it. This really helped me out. Now I don't need to use OBS unless I need the scene transitions. This basically fixed the audio. Took them long enough though. They should have added it when they released Shadow Play, or at least when they released Share. Better late than never. They released this fix, and thanks, I guess. Thanks for viewing. If you like the content, like and subscribe.